Duolingo promo code new method. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new method to get Duolingo promo codes. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open any browser. Search for Duolingo. Tap on duolingo.com. Scroll down. Under About section, tap on Contact Us. Then tap on Find Help here. Scroll down. Under Duolingo classes, tap on I have questions about Duolingo classes. Scroll down a little bit. Tap on Contact Us. Write here your email. In subject, write inquiry about promo codes. In description, write Hi Duolingo team. I am from your country name and I enjoy using Duolingo to learn new languages. I would like to know if there are any promo codes available. Thank you. And tap on Submit. If there is any promo code available for you, the Duolingo team will let you know by contacting you through the email you have provided. So this is how you can get Duolingo promo codes.